classic cars with this 2022 Ford Mustang GT500 Heritage Edition. 2-passenger coupe. Actual miles 13. Only 13 actual miles. Plastic is still on the seats. Clean Carfax, no accidents of course. With only 13 miles. Brittany blue metallic. With ebony Recaro leather trim seats. 5.2 liter supercharged engine. 760 horsepower, 425 torque. This would be fun on the track. This vehicle does have the carbon fiber track package, an $18,500 option. Painted over the top stripes. That is an additional $10,000 option. Amazing options on this Mustang. Look at that front end. Beautiful condition. Track package, of course, includes carbon fiber wheels, 20-inch actually carbon fiber wheels with Brembo brakes. If you're on YouTube, check out the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com for the underside, engine, interior, trunk. With air extractor hood. Recessed hood pin style hood. Take a look down the side here. Also remember, we consider trades. Financing is available and we can assist with transportation. There's your window sticker. You can see pictures of that online for all the options. I'll mention some of the options on this car, which are many. Just a few would be the 7-speed Tremec dual clutch automatic transmission with paddle shifter, MagneRide dampening system, voice activated touchscreen with nav system, rear independent suspension, of course. Again, you're going to want to look at the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com for the up-close details of everywhere on this vehicle. Let's check out the interior. Those seats have been untouched, covered in plastic. Again, plastic still on the carpet. There's your suede. These are the Recaro leather trim seats. Racing bucket seats. And in the rear, seat delete. Let's fire this up and see what she sounds like. Look at that, 13 miles. You can see your gauges. There's your touchscreen. Dual climate control modes, exhaust traction control. We've got steering wheel controls for all the modern amenities. The amazing sound of this car. Chassis number, limited chassis number, GT500 is 2238. Let's go back and see what this car sounds like. Sure, she'd track, but that is a good sound. I'll stop the video, then we'll open that hood, have a look at the engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that air extractor hood. And the beautiful Brittany blue metallic paint with Wimbledon white painted on stripes. And under that hood, the 5.2 liter supercharged engine, 760 horsepower. Hand built. Just as clean and brand new under the hood as it is on the outside. Optional adjustable strut top mounts. And again, that additional $10,000 optional painted on Wimbledon white stripes. 2022 Ford Mustang GT500 Heritage Edition. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. Find us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades and financing is available, and we can assist with transportation.